Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. It's the 19th of June 2024, Wednesday. We are at Bramley Moor. This is my first update for the stadium build. Just meaning to get out like 2 months ago, just didn't get round to it. Turn you around. I'm just lifting the barrel cladding into place. I'm going to get a drone up in a while. At the moment I'm with Craig's TV 1. He's in the air flying. As soon as he comes down, I'm going to get mine up and do my update. My very first one from Bramley Moor. Don't forget to click like. Don't forget to click share. Don't forget to click subscribe. I'm so grateful. Now, let's get the drone up. Welcome back everyone, we are airborne. Just gonna start east stand side, working on the barrel cladding, I believe, so I'll head over there first. I'll climb to about 70 metres. First time here, but I wish I'd have started sooner. I think they're just hooking up to another piece right now, ready to lift. There's not a lot to go, to be honest. I've been following other YouTubers, Craig's TV 1, Mr. Drone, Paul Frost. I've been past here a few times, but just yet to launch until today. And I've been nothing short but impressed by what I see. I believe there's lifting going on the west stand also. I won't head over that a bit later. So have a quick look at the north stand while we're waiting for that barrel cladding to be lifted. Just going to climb a little bit more so we can keep line of sight. Absolutely fantastic. It's a perfect day for flying today. It's just going to be an absolute brilliant venue for football, concerts, anything. It's just world class. And to be on the waterfront as well. Some of those guys up to on the roof. So doing that section now, aren't they? Putting the covering on, I believe. I ain't going to get too close, I want to be respectful. They're doing a tough job as it is, I don't want drones buzzing around, so. Let's have a quick look at the grounds while we're here. And bit by bit, it's all taking shape. That's all the other cladding ready to go up. So it's all prepared, ready to lift. Doesn't look like they're ready to lift this one yet. So we'll go towards the south stand, have a look what's going up, because walking down, did see some platforms up in the air, so we'll see if they're still there. They'll drop down to about 90 metres. Normally with my videos when I've been covering Anfield Road, I normally like to do ground footage and combine it with drone footage. But it's a bit harder when there's a massive wall in the way, so for now we're just going to do the drone footage. How are they working on that under roof section? They are, you know. Just want to see, make sure I'm clear of everything. Yeah, that was the platform that was up before, doing something just as a little overhang area. Back on the cherry picker. Bit by bit they're going to be working on that, and I'm going to be following it over the next few days, weeks, to see all the underneath section covered, as well as the finishing off the bowel cladding. And while we're here, we'll have a quick look at the west stand side. I'm going to climb and get a bit clear of that lifter. About 100 metres, probably a bit too high there, but start going inwards. I was watching all this on the other channels, the construction of all that concrete, the steps and everything. It just looks immense. And that's probably the biggest section of bowel cladding left to do on the western side. I ain't going to get any closer, not with the taller lifters in the way. So I'm going to stay clear of those if possible. We will drop down to about 90. While I'm here, I'll have a quick look at the ground section as we pan slowly up. It looks like one of those tippers, doesn't it? There's only like 6 months to go till completion. That is absolutely unbelievable. So I'll leave those guys work on that bowel cladding over there on the west stand side. Okay, so it's going to head over back towards the east stand side. Just flip into sport mode so I can get there quicker because there's a lift going on. So we travel along the south stand. Into position. And another piece of cladding ready to go into place. So we stay with these guys a little while longer. That machine just makes it look so easy, doesn't it? Can't believe this stadium's going to be finished in 6 months. Unbelievable. I mean, I'm a Red, but this is a world-class venue. Yeah, it just looks state-of-the-art to me. About 78 metres. slow it down a little bit, guys, I think. I bet they weigh a fair bit each section of that bower cladding. I'm going to climb and get a different angle. Yeah, just lowering it down now, so it's level, ready to go into place. So just watch this. There you go. It's nearly there, and we'll have a final quick look over where the pitch will be, because I think they're putting seats in as well. Brilliant, isn't it? I'm going to climb to full max and have a quick look over the stands. I'll zoom out, start going forwards, and I'll stay well clear.
See you later, lads. Bye, mate.
Can't believe it's not that many seats to go, to be honest. Those guys down there working on them right now. Let's have a quick look on the other side.
Max altitude reached.
Unbelievable. Looks brilliant. I'm regretting not starting sooner now, definitely covering this build. One last look on these guys. Putting more of the blue seats in. And we'll fly over the south stands. The city in the background, skyline. I'll turn. And this is where we'll end the video. The first effort, doing the fly rounds on the Bramley Stadium build. Like what you saw, click like, share, subscribe. I hope to be here Friday for the next one. Catch you all soon. Bye for now.